This is the third part of degree. In the last part, we have learned about how we can transform positive degree to comparative degree and comparative degree to positive degree. Now, in this part, we are going to learn how, if there is given any sentence in superlative degree, so how we can transform that sentence into comparative degree or in positive degree. So, third type is superlative degree to comparative and positive degree. Look at here. Ram was one of the happiest farmer in the village. So look at that sentence. Ram was one of the happiest farmer in the village. So what is the degree of that sentence? It is superlative degree, comparative degree or positive degree. So for that we need to see adjective. What is suffix added to the adjective word? So here the adjective is happy and the suffix is used iest. If there is used the suffix st, est or iest, so that sentence is related to superlative degree. If there is the suffix used r, er, ier, so that sentence is related to comparative degree. So if there is used the suffix iest, so that sentence is related to superlative degree. And if you are asked to transform or transfer this sentence into comparative degree, so how we can do that? Look at here. So first take the subject and verb, helping verb as it is Ram was. Then see, look at the adjective word and take its comparative degree form. What is the happiest comparative degree form? Happier. Then take the word than. So after than we have to write many other or any other. So when we can write many other and when we can write any other. So for that, look at here. If after the helping verb there is given the word one of the. If there is given the word one of the, so we have to write many other. If this word phrase is not given after the helping verb one of the, so that time we need to use any other. So in this sentence, the word phrase one of the is given here. Therefore, we are going to use many other after than. Many other. Then write the remaining sentence as it is after many other or any other. Farmer in the village. So, if this sentence you are asked to transform into positive degree, so how we can do that? So for that you need to look in comparative degree what is given after that. If there is given many other, so we have to write very few. So we have to write no other at the starting of positive degree. But in comparative degree, after that there is given many other. Therefore, we are going to use very few at the starting of positive degree. Then write the remaining sentence of many other or any other as it is in front of very few or no other. Farmer in the village. After this, write the helping verb as it is. Then the adjective write in its original form between as, happy, as. Then whatever is the subject of comparative degree, write that subject as an object in positive degree. So in this way, we have transformed this superlative degree into comparative degree and positive degree. If in this sentence there is not given this word phrase, one of the, so how can we transform that sentence into comparative degree or positive degree? Look at here. Ram was the happiest farmer in the village. Ram was the happiest farmer in the village. In this sentence, there is not given the word phrase one of the. This phrase is not used in this superlative degree. So how we can transform this superlative degree sentence into comparative degree sentence? Look at here. All the rules are same. At first, write the subject and verb as it is. Ram was. Then write the comparative form of this adjective. Happiest comparative form is happier. Then write than in front of that adjective in comparative degree. If there is given one of the word phrase in superlative degree after helping verb, so we have to write many others, but here is not given that one of the phrase. Therefore, we are going to use any other. Then write remaining sentence as it is in front of many other or any other. Farmer in the village. If you are asked to write this sentence into or transpose this sentence into positive degree, so how we can do that? So for this, we need to see what is given in comparative degree after that. If there is given any other, so we need to use no other. But instead of any other, there is given many other, so we need to use very few. But here is given any other, so therefore we are going to use no other. Then write the remaining sentence of comparative degree as it is in front of no other or very few. Farmer in the village. Then write the helping verb as it is in front of it. Was. Then write the original form of the adjective word in or between as happy, as. Then write the subject of comparative degree as object in positive degree at the last of the sentence. So students, in this way we can transform any superlative degree sentence into comparative degree sentence or in positive degree sentence. If you are asked to write any sentence, any superlative degree sentence into comparative degree sentence, so you can do direct transformation. But you are asked to write or transform superlative degree sentence into positive degree sentence, so you have to do first rough work. First you transform the sentence into comparative degree, then transform that sentence into positive degree. Then whatever will be answer, you will get that answer you have to write in your answer book. So in this way we can transform any type of superlative degree sentence in comparative degree sentence or in positive degree sentence. The most important thing you need to know that look at this word phrase. If this word phrase is given, then we have to write many other after the than. And if there is given many other in comparative degree, so we have to write relative at the starting of positive degree. If after helping verb there is not given the word order one of the. If there is not given this word phrase, so that time in comparative degree we need to use any other in comparative degree after than. And if there is any other after than in comparative degree, so we have to use no other at the starting of positive degree. So I think you understood how we can transform any superlative degree sentence into positive degree sentence or into comparative degree sentence. Now I am going to give you few sentences of superlative degree sentence, and you have to transform those sentences into comparative degree sentence and into positive degree sentence also. The boy is most intelligent student in the school. India was one of the greatest country in the world. It is the most it is one of the most difficult thing in today's world. Sita was the tallest girl in the class. So these are the four sentences. These four sentences you have to transform into comparative degree and into positive degree also. So students, this part ends here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.